Welcome to this presentation on our building solutions. My name is Christian Fuchs and I'm the segment manager here in Command. When we look at the building, we want to look at the holistic solution. We have a solution that starts with the access to the premises, for instance for cars, trucks, so communication at the gates. We have communication hotspots in the parking facilities. Of course, at the doors to the building. We have communication points at the reception area or even in a security operation center. We include lift intercom, help points in elevators that is. We include intercom stations in the aisles to give information and contact possibilities to everybody in the building. We have communication points in the offices, in meeting rooms, and in public areas like cafeterias. So we have a holistic approach and a holistic solution. Communication is vital for security, and what we offer is a solution for single buildings, for corporate campus, and for global enterprises. Global networking is a key for global enterprises. So our intercom solutions reach from Austria all the way over to Australia, or beyond. So the central control room, the central security operations center, will be able to handle the calls from all over the world. If a reception area is not manned, or any other place is not sufficiently manned, then calls will be forwarded. And you decide the way you need it, so you can deploy your stuff in the most efficient way. We are adding bidirectional video. So not only will the person answering the call be able to assess the situation, at the same time, the person making the call will be able to see to whom they are talking to, and thus feeling more safe, more comfortable. Including PA makes it possible to have announcements clearly understood all over the site, the campus, or even all over the global enterprise. And flexible interfaces with third-party systems are the perfect tool for central operation centers. Here we will include and control all types of third-party systems on an easy-to-use, intuitive platform. Intercom stations, like the one you see here with the touchscreen, are an essential part of our solutions. We have a professional-grade touchscreen, and what that means, you will see in the next video.
When it comes to security and emergency, touch is not touch. Today we will challenge our brand new OD10.
Touch devices are fun to use and have become the usability standard over the last decade. But how do they compare to our new OD10 in adverse conditions? As we can see, even the industry standard in consumer goods has problems when it comes to rainy conditions. In the field of security and communication, there is no room for accidental activation. That's why our new OD10 is designed with a special touch technology. Even the most rainy and windy conditions don't lead to accidental calls. Therefore, your operators and receptionists are alerted only when really required and can concentrate on what is important. So, if you're looking for a touch intercom station, choose the OD10.
Today, our solutions can be Symphony Mesh. These are small solutions where the stations are connected directly in a local network, talking peer-to-peer, and thus giving perfect local solutions. Adding Intercom Service is our Symphony On-Prem solution. Symphony On-Prem adds the power of networking, the power of interfacing. Our latest development is Symphony Cloud. Symphony Cloud is the world's first intercom cloud solution that is including privacy and security by design. Here, besides having a perfectly secure system, we're adding constantly new features based on your needs. And this will allow you to have the perfect solution. The perfect solution answering your needs, growing with your needs, scalable with your needs, with the buildings you have, with the extensions that you're planning. Let us also look at cybersecurity. Security includes cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is part of our DNA. It is our mindset. Comment is ISO 27001 certified. And that translates into our development taking cybersecurity into account from the first second onwards. I'm looking forward to seeing you in person one day. For the moment, stay tuned and follow us on LinkedIn. Goodbye.